Audi just did the unthinkable. They removed their iconic four rings. Meet the 2026 Audi E7X. It's the first of a new breed of SUVs that swaps tradition for raw, digital power. While the world was looking at the Q8e, Audi was secretly building this, a 671 horsepower tech beast that's smarter, faster, and more futuristic than anything currently in their US showrooms. Welcome back to DRX AUTO MOBI. Today, we're finding out if an Audi without the rings is actually the best Audi ever made. Underneath the skin is the new Advanced Digitized Platform. This isn't just an EV, it's a rocket. The dual-motor Quattro system pumps out 671 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. That's enough to launch this full-size SUV 260 in a staggering 3.7 seconds. And because it runs on an 800-volt architecture, you can add nearly 200 miles of range in just 10 minutes at a DC fast charger. It's the kind of performance that makes the Tesla Model X take notice. Design-wise, the E7X is a masterclass in minimalism. It's nearly 200 inches long roughly, the size of a Q7, but it sits lower and sleeker. Notice the digital side mirrors and the hidden door handles that pop out as you approach. The four rings are replaced by a bold, backlit Audi script that performs a signature light dance every time you unlock it. Combined with massive 23-inch aerodynamic wheels, the E7X has a road presence that feels more like a concept car than a production SUV. Inside, the E7X shames every other luxury SUV on the market. The dashboard is a single, seamless 27-inch 4K display that stretches from the driver to the passenger. There are no physical buttons. Everything from the climate to the navigation is handled by an AI-powered virtual assistant that actually learns your habits. With ultra-premium sustainable materials and a cabin that feels more like a high-end lounge than a car, it's clear that Audi is targeting a new generation of tech-savvy luxury buyers. The 2026 Audi E7X is a 671 horsepower wake-up call. It's bold, it's controversial, and it might just be the most advanced EV on the planet. Would you buy an Audi without the rings? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for DRX AUTO MOBI. We'll see you in the next one.